children. Welcome to AIMS India's online classes. Children, from our English class, today we are going to do some exercises on synonyms. So already in previous session we have learned some synonyms, and from this topic we are going to go with some exercises, that is in the form of question and answers. Clear children? Okay, ready? Now level 1. The first question here is, mark the word or phrase with a similar meaning. Mark the word or phrase with the similar meaning. And what is the word here? Merry. No, we wish somebody like Merry Christmas. No, like merry. What is this merry? Is it unhappy, happy, marry, or Mary? No. Then the answer is Mary is happy. It means happy. So if you want to wish somebody on happy occasions, you can wish them saying that Merry wishes or Merry Christmas. Okay, children, like that. Now, the second question is, mark the most suitable word to complete the sentence without changing its meaning. No, here you have to match the word without changing the meaning. Okay. Now the sentence is, there are many dash animals living in the world. There are many dash animals. As you can see in the picture, so many animals. And what will be the answer here? Amazing, extinct, designer, speaking. No, answer is here, children. So we have got so many animals. If you see in the picture here itself, so they are very colorful, of different shapes, different sizes, with the different features. Now you can see so many varieties of animals in this world. They are really amazing. Amazing in the sense, so for surprise, you can see so many different type of animals. Okay, this amazing will match the answer. Okay, children. Extinct, some animals we also call as extinct. For example, dinosaurs. So dinosaurs is an extinct animal. So before some 100 years ago, there were some animals, but as the period, as the time has moved on, so we are not able to find some animals. No, not even their family members also. So that type of animals which were there once upon a time and they do not exist now, so those animals are called as extinct animals. Okay, children. But here we are talking about the animals which are present, which are with life and which are still living in the world, and they are of different shapes and sizes and colorful. No, so we can call them as amazing animals. Clear, children? Now the third question is, read the sentence given below. Here you have got a sentence, children. Let us read it first. Mark the word most similar in meaning with the underlined word. Okay. So here what is the underlined word? Actually, this is the underlined word. Children are certainly fond of sweets. Children are certainly fond of sweets. Is it true, children? So every one of you are really fond of sweets. Do you love them? Do you like them? Fond is nothing but liking or loving something. No. So, and the meaning for certainly, what will it be? Nicely, slightly, definitely, doubtfully. So children are definitely fond of sweets. No, like it's sure, 100% sure, that is definite. They are fond of sweets, especially chocolates. No, children? Yes. So certainly means definitely. Okay. Sometimes even we can also use certainly uh, in sentences like, I'll certainly come to your house tomorrow. If you want to go to your friend's house, if he's asking you to come to his house repeatedly, And if you are going tomorrow, then you can tell your friend that I am certainly going to come to your house. I'll certainly come to your house tomorrow. That is, I am definitely coming to your house tomorrow. That is sure. You are 100% sure of that. Clear, children? Now, fourth question. Mark the word or phrase with the similar meaning. Here, what is the word here? The word is stern. Stern. What do you mean by stern? Stem, strict, lenient, or young. So here is a picture. A person, suppose let us take this person as a police, even though he is not in dress, or we can take it as a teacher or some of our elders in our house holding a stick in the hands. Who will hold the stick in the hand? Why do they hold stick in the hand? No, to punish somebody who has done any mistake. No. So this term is nothing but strict. Okay, strict. So the strict, like if they cannot tolerate any mistake. So the teacher is very stern. Our teacher is very stern. In the sense, she is very strict. So she is very disciplined. Strict is nothing but discipline. My grandfather is so stern. No, if I go late to the house in the evening, then he is going to punish me or he is going to scold me. No, like strict. This stern means strict. Clear, children? Now, read the sentence given below. Again, you have to mark the word most similar in meaning with the underlined word. India's performance at the World Boxing Championship was magnificent. Magnificent. This is the underlined word, children. Magnificent. Have you heard this word? Yes. So, what are the options given for us? Heartbreaking, horrible, poor, and great. So India's performance at the World Boxing Championships, our Indian players, the boxing players, they performed great in the World Boxing Championship, so that the match was, or the boxing championship was magnificent. So that is nothing but great. Okay, so it was great. Great, like when you when any performance or when something is great to see, no, or then you can use this word magnificent. Okay, so the dance program in our annual day function was magnificent. So it was so good, it was so great. Okay, children? Now, sixth question. Mark the word closest in meaning with the underlined word. Okay. Now, Amitabh Bachchan is fond of the most modern cars. Most modern cars. What is modern? Let us see. Is it expensive? Is it old? Is it outdated, or is it recent? Modern means new. Modern means new. So which word is going to match from these four options, children? New. Yes, that is recent. 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 Okay. So modern, nothing but very recent. So expensive is costly. Costly cars. That doesn't mean they are modern. Okay. And old, outdated is right now. That trend is not, preferable. Okay, outdated. Now nobody are using it. No. So that is outdated. Clear, children? So D is the correct answer. Now here again, read the sentence given below. So here also you have to mark the word which has the similar meaning with the underlined word. And again, modern here. Modern. Okay. We love to wear the most modern clothes. The most modern clothes. No, everybody, you love to wear the most modern clothes. You don't love to wear old fashioned clothes. No. So then what is the correct meaning for this modern from our options? Outdated, latest, new, old. Again, here, here there is a difference between new and latest according to this word modern. Okay, so in the previous example, like when we talked about the car, I said this modern is recent. Recent again, recent in the sense, new in the sense what here? So which has invented very recently, very recently. Okay, so that is here modern. Again here when you are talking about the clothes, the fashion, then we are going to use this modern for the latest. Okay children, here it becomes latest, modern becomes latest. Why? Because here we are talking about the clothes. Even in cars also you can use latest cars also. That is latest, recent, modern are all the same. Okay, are all the same. They are all synonyms for every word. Clear children? Yes, we love to wear the most latest clothes. Okay children? Now read the sentence given below. Here, mark the word most similar in meaning with the underlined word. So, this is the word. The watchman will be responsible for his work. The watchman will be responsible for his work. So, who is the watchman? The person who guards our houses, our colonies, our societies. No, in the daytime, in the night time, we call them as watchmen. So he will be responsible for his work, responsible for this. So what will be the synonym? Is it paid, known, accountable, or rewarded? And the answer is accountable, that is answerable. He will be answerable. If something bad is happening, then if somebody unknown persons are entering the house or some theft or robbery, when the watchman is guarding the house is happening, then who will be answerable? Yes, the watchman will be answerable because his duty is to guard us. No, his duty is to guard our homes, our colonies, our communities and all that. No, then if somebody unknown people are entering, then he must stop them. He must stop them, he must question them, he must inform us about them. No, so if something bad is happening, then he will be responsible for his work. Okay, children? He is answerable. So, whatever it may be, he is answerable for his work. Now, mark the word closest in meaning with the underlined word. Michael Jackson was one of the most distinguished singers of the world. Who is this? Michael Jackson. Now, he's a very famous singer, children. So you might have seen his performances in dance shows also. So many upcoming singers also, they try to perform dances for Michael Jackson songs. Okay. So Michael Jackson, he was one of the most distinguished. Distinguished means what? Either famous, current, ungrateful or humble. And the answer is famous, distinguished, that is famous. Any famous personality, any famous person, any famous, anything famous, either item, okay, or a place. So you can use this word distinguished. Okay, clear? 10th question. Mark the word closest in meaning with the underlined word. Here, sometimes I snooze off while coming home from school. Sometimes I snooze off while coming home from school. I hope most of you do this, especially the students who travel or who come to home by the school bus. No, what do they do? Yes, they snooze off. What do you mean by snooze off? Awake, sleep, play, run. And the answer is sleep. No, you'll just take a nap. Nap is also a sleep. Sleep. Okay, children? This. Snooze off means sleep. Now, 11th question. Mark the word or phrase with a similar meaning. Here, what is the word? Scanty. S-C-A-N-T. Scanty. Okay. So, what does this mean? Is it sharps, meager, terrible, or huge? And the answer is meager. That is very less. So, for example, in the desert areas, water is very scanty. Water is meager. Means nothing but water is very less. No, you cannot get much water. Clear, children? Scanty is meager. Now, mark the word or phrase with a similar meaning. And the word is folk. Folk. What do you mean by folk? Animals of a different culture, not related to people, people of the same culture, none of the above. Yes, answer is people of the same culture. So, people, no, if a group of people, if you want to address a group of people, anybody, it may be anybody, then we can address them as folk. F-O-L-Q, folk. Okay, children? Clear? Now, mark the word or phrase with a similar meaning. 13th question, children. And the word is pleasure. Pleasure. Okay. So, the options are meditation, peaceful, enjoyment, and admire. Okay. And the answer is enjoyment. So, pleasure is happy, joy. Okay. So, enjoyment. Enjoyment, it matches this pleasure. 14th question. Mark the word or phrase with a similar meaning. Couple. Couple. C-O-U-P-L-E. So what does this mean? Couple means what? Two of the same kind, two of different kind, more than two or less than two. Actually, couple means two of the same kind. Couple of girls, in the sense two girls. Couple of boys, two boys. Couple of man, two persons. Okay. Then couple of ladies, in the sense two ladies. Couple is two of the same kind. Clear, children? Now, mark the word or phrase with a similar meaning. Debt. Debt. Okay. So, this is money at home, borrowed money, money in the bank, given money. Debt. In the sense, suppose if you have taken money from somebody else, promising that you are going to return it after some time, then that money becomes a debt. Okay. And because you have taken it from somebody, that is not your own money, you have taken it, the money from somebody, it is the borrowed money. You have borrowed. No. So you have borrowed the money. That is, B is the correct answer. Clear, children? Now, level 2 question and answers from the topic synonyms. Mark the word closest in meaning with the underlined word. I was excited when I was visiting my grandparents in Kerala. So you have to find the meaning for this excited. I was excited when I was visiting my grandparents in Kerala. So this happens with everyone. So if you are leaving for a village in holidays, especially when you are going to your native village, visiting your relatives, you feel very excited. No, what does this excited mean? Is it calm, cautious, enthusiastic, or bored? Yes, and the answer is enthusiastic. So you will be very eager very eager to get ready, very eager to catch the bus, or very eager to reach the place. No, very eager to enter the house and very eager to see the near and dear people. No, eager is like you will be excited. The total time until you see them, you will be very excited, in the sense, very enthusiastic. Clear, children? So you can use this word at any such situations. So I am very excited for my results. No, you'll be much waiting for your results, very eager to get your results. No, so enthusiastic it is. 17th one, mark the most suitable word to complete the sentence without changing its meaning. Here, the sentence is, to be a good journalist, you must be a good dash. So, who is the journalist, children? A person who is going to give us news. No, a person who is going to write the news. It may be for the newspaper, it may be for the radio, or it may be for the television. Okay, so he is a journalist who gives the news. It is not the person who reads the news, who is going to search for the news and who gives the news. Okay, children? So he must be, or you must be. To be a good journalist, one must be a good principal, writer, student, or player. And the answer is writer. No, he has to write the news in an order, in a meaningful order. Now, whatever news he has got, he has to write it in a meaningful order so that everyone can understand the news and get the news. Okay, children? So, you must be a good writer. Clear? Now, 18th question. Mark the word or phrase with the similar meaning. Ancient. Ancient. Ancient means what? Not so old. Brand new. Not so new. Very old. And the answer is D. That is very old. Ancient times. Very old times. So you will be listening in story long, long, long ago. Once upon a time. No. Or our ancient buildings. So very old buildings. No. Like our Charminar is there in Hyderabad. Okay. Then Taj Mahal is there in Delhi. No, so many temples in famous temples in all over our country. So they are coming, I mean, they are built in ancient times. So they are very old constructions. Clear, children? Now, 19th one. Here also you have to select the meaningful word, children. And the sentence is, the thief hoped that nobody had seen him. The thief hoped that nobody had seen him. See how happily he is going with all this money which he has robbed from us. Yes, he hoped that. Hoped. This, for hoped, we have to get the word. Imagine, witnessed, invisible, or heard. And the answer is imagine. So he imagined that nobody had seen him. But unfortunately, some of one has have saw him. Some of us, we just saw him and we have complained to the police, and they have come and they have arrested the thief. Okay, children? The thief hoped that, in the sense, imagined that. Yes. 20th question. Mark the most suitable word to complete the sentence without changing its meaning. Here, I dash in a farmhouse. I dash in a farmhouse, and the words are travel, live, study, sleep. Yes, I live in a farmhouse. Okay, B is the correct answer. Now, again, 21st question, children. So you have to find the word for indeed, synonym for indeed. Indeed, in the sense, is it but, yet again, certainly, or never. Indeed is no doubt, definitely. So earlier also we had a same word, Certainly. What did you mean for certainly? Definitely. Again, indeed also is nothing but without no doubt. Surely. Okay. So then C becomes our answer. Certainly. Clear, children? Now, 22nd question. Mark the most suitable word to complete the sentence without changing its meaning. Here, the children are dash cricket in the park. What are they doing? Are they studying, walking, playing, or running? The children are playing cricket in the park. No, how happily they are playing in the park. Yes, children, C is the correct answer. 23rd word or phrase with the similar meaning, humble. Children, here the word is humble. Like the synonyms are lie, clever, proud, poor. So here humble means you have got different words as meanings, and that we can use in different situations. Like humble, even it is kind, humble is for respect, humble is also for poor. Humble is also for poor. Like if you say he has come from a humble family, that is a poor family. So here because we have an option poor, then we are selecting this word D, poor. Okay. Now 24th question. Again a suitable word here, that is synonym. The dash applied a patch to the injured horse skin. Horse skin. That is, here is a doctor, children. So are you able to see in the picture where the doctor is treating the injured horse. Okay. So what did the doctor do? He applied a patch to the injured horse skin. And what do we call a doctor who treats the animal? Okay, so what do we call him as? Is it a veterinarian, zoologist, journalist, or geologist? And the answer is veterinarian. Okay, the doctor who deals with the animal, who treats the animal, is called as veterinarian. The veterinarian applied a patch to the injured horse skin. Clear, children? Yes. The last question for today, 25th one. Mark the most suitable word to complete the sentence without changing its meaning, and the sentence is safety is dash of prime importance. Prime importance. Okay, so safety, so wherever we go, safety is dash. Is it never, always, once, or sometimes? Safety is always of prime importance. Always be. Always. Safety. We have to take care of our safety in all conditions. Always. Prime in the sense the first importance. Safety is of the first importance. Okay, children? Yes. So this is what we have learnt from today's synonyms question and answers, children. So we'll be continuing in tomorrow's session with another topic. Until then, take care, stay well, and goodbye. Please visit our website www.aimstoday.in for further information regarding online classes, quizzes, live worksheets, DIY activities, English classes, and coding. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates.